In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in WhatsApp Web. Before we begin, here's the key idea. WhatsApp Web doesn't have its own language switch. Instead, it follows whatever language your web browser is set to. So we'll change the language in your browser, and WhatsApp Web will update automatically to match. Start by opening your web browser. I'll demonstrate this in Google Chrome on a computer, since that's a common setup, and the steps are straightforward. The change you make here will affect Chrome's menus and the way supported websites display text, including WhatsApp Web. In Chrome, look at the top right corner and click the three-dot menu to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. If your window is narrow, you may need to maximize it to see all options clearly. Settings is where Chrome keeps all preferences, including language. Once you're in Settings, find the Languages section. You can scroll the left sidebar and select Languages, or use the search box at the top of Settings and type Language to jump directly to it. This page controls the languages Chrome uses and the order it prefers. Under Preferred Languages, you'll see a list of languages Chrome can use. If your desired language isn't listed yet, click Add Languages, search for it by name, and add it. Next, move your chosen language to the top of the list so it becomes the primary one. Then look for the option that says, Display Google Chrome in this language and turn it on for your selected language. When you do, Chrome will prompt you to relaunch. Go ahead and restart the browser so the change takes effect. After Chrome restarts, its interface and supported websites will use your selected language whenever possible. Open or refresh WhatsApp Web, and you should see menus, prompts, and labels in your new language. If you don't see the change right away, make sure your language is at the top of the Preferred Languages list, refresh the page, and give it a moment to reload. On some systems, your computer's language settings can also influence what you see, but prioritizing your preferred language in Chrome usually does the trick. A quick tip: keeping more than one language in the list is helpful, because if a site doesn't support your first choice, it will fall back to the next one. You can always come back to Settings, reorder the list, or remove a language later, and that's all you need. With your browser language updated, WhatsApp Web follows along automatically.